So drawing on the idea of a political social contract, we see academic social contracts as relationships in which partners offer universities patronage, autonomy, and credibility in exchange for providing tangible services to society. And in exchange for these subsidies, historically, Stanford has given different goods for the benefit of society. Sometimes that's been trained talent, sometimes that's cutting-edge research, other times concrete defense research to fight wars.
How should we think about the social contract moving forward broadly, with climate and sustainability as a specific lever that we should be thinking about?
This is why I ask the question, you know, how good are the cutting edge innovations in climate science and sustainability if nobody believes you? And I know that, you know, there's many people in the Doerr School who are already at work at closing that gap and working on mobilization. And I think that to me may be an important lesson for us to think about in the renegotiation of Contract 3.
For multiple generations, there was this idea that college could be both inclusive and exclusive at the same time. Everyone could go to something called college. And so I think if colleges and universities are going to help you guys do your thing in the United States, I think they need to be recognized as vehicles of civic empowerment for everybody. And, you know, can we get that everybody part back? You know, I'm here to hope that we can, but I think we have to take on the fact that sense of college is for all of us, not just for some of us. That universities are actors in history. They are actors in history. There is no Stanford without the federal government and the state of California, right? But there's no U.S. nation state without colleges and universities, right? So it's not as if we can sit here and insulate ourselves from these existential challenges. Like, we helped to create those existential challenges, and we have no choice, on my view, but to somehow be active in navigating the next chapter.